Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've had Ariana's makeup for a while now. I ordered it the day that it was released and I've been wanting to do a video using it, but I just didn't know what look to do. So when she released a video yesterday doing her own makeup, I was like, oh, this is a perfect opportunity. I'm gonna do what she did. So yeah, if you wanna see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Hopefully my chair isn't doing that the whole time. I'm gonna try and use brushes that are pretty similar to hers as well. I don't know if those are like her brushes that might be coming out in the future or what. I'll try so that we get somewhat of a similar application. This is a palette that she's starting with. It's the Baby Doll palette. Excuse my ugly nails. I've been painting and snowboarding and I just cannot seem to keep some nice nails on, no matter what I do. She's starting with this shade on a pretty flat brush and she's really just packing that all over her lid. It looks like it's sticking a lot better on her skin, so she might have some kind of primer on. I couldn't tell if she did or not, so I didn't want to like do anything to alter the look. Okay, I look a little crazy. But then it looks like she took a little bit of a fluffier brush, kind of like this, and blended it out a little bit. This is not the most detailed tutorial. Hopefully she'll post a longer version. It would be really neat to see her post one on YouTube. I've always wanted to see her do one of those. I think it's Vogue that does skincare routines, makeup tutorials. And honestly, I can't tell if she's using this same shadow or another one and they just like inserted a random clip of it. And now she's taking this shade and this one. It looks like she's brushing it out into a wing shape. It doesn't really show her bringing it into the whole crease area, but afterwards it kind of looks like she has it there. It might just be like her natural face dimensions. I don't do this, Miss Ariana, but I'm going to follow your tutorial today. I'm always afraid of making wrinkles. I'm gonna bring it in my crease a little bit. She has pretty deep set eyes, it looks like, but it really does look like she brought some shadow here. Other side. This is kind of difficult to like pull my eye this way. I'm wearing her merch, by the way. I thought it was fitting. I don't think I have all of the exact products that she's using today, but I do have most of them, so I'm gonna do my best. Okay, now, so she's using her highlighter Miss Uranus, and I only have Miss Mercury. I'm gonna look up—
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I wasn't talking to you. I'll look up the one that she's using and see if I have something similar. If not, then I'll probably just use the highlighter of hers that I do have. This is the one that she used. It's definitely a lot more pink or rosy colored than the one that I have. So I think I'm going to use this color from this palette that my grandma actually gave me for Christmas. It was so cute. It's a Tarte palette, Double Duty Beauty Shape Your Moneymaker. And I'm gonna use this middle shade right here. It's really not showing where she put it exactly. It looks like in the middle and she applied it with her finger. Let me scroll to the end of the video and see. Yeah, you honestly can't even really tell, so I'm just kind of putting it over this edge. You can't even really tell in the end result that she put it on. Maybe because it's a highlighter topper, so it's not really showing much. So I might have just messed this all up. The effects and stuff in the video that she's using make it kind of hard to tell what it actually looks like in person. Okay, now she's like pulling her eye again to do a winged liner. We'll see if I can do this on camera. I usually have trouble with the felt tip liners. I do have the same one that she has. I think it's her only liquid liner. My issue with these is that I like to get a really fine point at the end and it always seems to dry out, especially when I have eyeshadow on. But I did find that a cool little tip is to store them upside down like this so that all of the ink or whatever in the liner is falling down to the tip. Okay, took a little finessing, but I got that part done. It looks like she only brings it to about this area. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just because it takes so long and then I'll come back. The next thing she did after her winged liner was use her At the Borderline eyeliner pencil in the shade Teddy Bear, which is brown. I don't have that, but I'm just gonna use this little nub of liner that I have. This is actually a brow pencil, but whatever. It'll do. This is really not even showing. I really didn't want to use a black one because it'll be more dramatic, but I'll try and be very light with it. This is my favorite one for lining my waterline. Sorry, there's a plane. It's the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil. My eyes are mad at me. I have really bad allergies, so my eyes get super sensitive. They do not like when I put liner in my waterline. Then she used her lengthening mascara, which I also don't have, but I have her volumizing one. It doesn't show her curl her lashes, but I always do. I'll just do it slightly because mine are pretty straight, and she just might not have shown that. I know she's gonna put lashes on though. It doesn't show her put it on her bottom lashes, and I don't think she did, but I feel weird, so I'm just gonna do like a tiny bit. I always put it on my bottom lashes. I'll just put it on the outer corners to keep that cat eye kind of look going on. She used her Eternally Meowing lashes. That's kind of hard to say. I have the Grow and Show pair, so I'm gonna use these. They're kind of similar though. I just feel like these ones are more dramatic. These ones are slightly thicker. Okay, I got my lashes on. I haven't put lashes on in such a long time, that took me a minute. The next thing she's using is her Practically Permanent Lip Marker, and I have the same shade. She's using Booked and Busy. It's this like plum colored one, and it looks like she puts it all over and then tops it with one of her glosses. After that, she used one of her plumping glosses in the shade VCR. The one that I have looks kind of similar, but this one is Away Message. And then the last thing that she did was her highlight. She used a really fluffy brush actually. She used one that's even kind of bigger than this. What shade was it? Miss Mercury. That's the one I have, yay. So it looks like she just applied it right here, and then she got some on her finger and did her nose highlight. All right, you guys, that was the finished look. It was actually pretty simple, aside from me trying to put on my lashes and my liner. If you want to see me do any other looks with her makeup, then let me know. I do have another palette. I have Midnight Snack, which is more of these cool tones. It's really pretty. I don't use it as much just because it's not like as much of an everyday look for me. But so far I do really like her makeup. I like this gloss a lot, and I like the way that it kind of like blended in with the lip stain. I think it made a really pretty color. Her eyeliner is super pigmented. I have yet to try the white kohl liner that I have. I do still want to try some things out and come up with some fun looks, but I haven't been doing anything to where I want to like wear crazy or really like experimental makeup lately. Let me know what you think of this look and what's your favorite part of Ariana's makeup. I do like these lashes a lot. I want to learn how to apply them so that the ends are more lifted so they don't make my eyes look droopy at all, but I do think they're really pretty. They're definitely more dramatic than the ones that she has on in the video, but it's still the same kind of cat eye effect where they're thicker on the ends and then more sparse towards the inside, which is what I really like. I'm happy with how this turned out though. I thought it was fun to see her do her own makeup, and I hope that she releases more videos like that. It would be really cool to see. People always want to know her secrets. She's so pretty. I'll give you a close-up. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love and appreciate you so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!